Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial of how to set up weapon holsters with VRIK in Skyrim. Before we start, we will need to calibrate our height. It is specifically important to get the bow to line up correctly, but also for the other weapons to be easily reachable. To do this, we will equip the VRIK power, calibration power, cast it, and personally I find that the VR scale works the best. So the way to calibrate this is to stand up straight, let your arms by your side, and also make sure that you're standing on a flat surface in Skyrim itself. And there we go, we have used the VR scale option and exit. Next, I'm also going to make sure that I don't have any powers equipped for setting up the holsters. It can be a little bit annoying if I accidentally cast a shout or something like that. So, as you can see, I already have some holsters placed. I have a dagger and a bow. So I'm going to reset all of that. And the way I do it is I'll just drop all the weapons on the ground that I have holstered. And that will reset the whole strings. So there we go. I have now no more holsters on me. So let's start with the first one. Let's equip a bow on the left shoulder. So here's my hunting bow. To place a holster on an Oculus Quest, I'm using this grip key, a grip button, to place holsters. So I'll take the bow, place it above my shoulder, and I'll feel the slight vibration in the controller. That means I can place it. To place the holster, you just need to tap the grip key like this. Now my bow is holstered and I can also slightly see it above my shoulder. To draw it, on the other hand, I need to both grab the grip key and pull the weapon out. To place it back in, it's just a little tap again. So we draw and tap. Draw, and I can already use my weapon and place it back. Alright, next let's do a dagger. So I'll take a dagger in my right hand and I want to equip it, or I want to place it in a holster on my left side. And daggers can go either on the arm or on the chest. I'm going to place this on the arm here because I think that's convenient. I'll place it and I'll feel the vibration where I can tap it. So there we go. Sometimes the placement doesn't really line up as nice as it did this time, and you can realign how the holsters are lining up. To do that, you grab it by holding the holster key down for, let's say, 3 or 4 seconds. And there you go, a slight little indication that now I can move it. I can change the rotation of it. Now it looks really terrible, but this is just to show you an example. And I can move it back in again by doing the same thing, holding down the grip key and aligning it. Almost. See, try one more time. There we go. That looks way better. Now I can draw my dagger from my hand and place it back in again. So I have 2 weapons equipped or holstered. Let's do 2 more. Next, we will do a one-handed weapon. So I can take this and I'm gonna holster it on my right hip here. Left hip, sorry. And here you can already see the handle of the weapon. And draw. Tap to place it back in and draw to pull out. And lastly, let's put the weapon on the right shoulder. I'm going to be using a silver sword, 2-handed grip for this. So I'll equip it. I'm holding it in the right hand and just find out where it vibrates. Somewhere here. Here we go. And pull. So now I have already equipped 4 weapons and I'm ready to adventure. I can be a sneaky assassin, stealth archer, without changing the menu. And that's it for this video. I hope this was useful for some of you on how to set up the holsters.